I am a perpetual journey, with each day unfolding as a new chapter in the book of life, initiated by the first steps taken in the morning. Every stroke of my soul's painting begins with the gentle lines of morning exercises. This practice is not just about maintaining physical well-being but also a means to stimulate the soul, keeping me alert and prepared to embrace new challenges. The morning is not just a fresh start but also a time for me to express gratitude for life. Each day, I set aside a moment to reflect and jot down 3 things that I am thankful for. This helps me appreciate the small yet significant values, fostering an optimistic and grateful mindset towards the beautiful things around me. My daily plan is not merely a to-do list, it comprises small goals I aspire to achieve. These could be minor steps such as completing a project, solving a challenging problem, or even spending quality time with family. These plans not only guide my day but also shape the trajectory of my life's journey. Noon, the interval between journeys, is when I seek creativity and meaningful rest. Solving mental puzzles like Sudoku not only relieves stress but also serves as an excellent mental stimulant. Instead of rushing through lunch, I take time to relax and enjoy activities like listening to music or reading, rejuvenating my energy for the rest of the day. Afternoon is a time for self-reward for my contributions. Small goals achieved are acknowledged with small rewards, a way of self-encouragement and self-respect. Social interaction, sharing joy and stories with others, helps create a positive environment and serves as continuous motivation. As the evening sets in and lights dim, it's time for physical activities to release the accumulated stress. Screen time is limited to facilitate a restful and energizing sleep. Before bedtime, I recall 3 positive aspects of the day and cultivate self-appreciation, creating a serene mood before retiring. Lastly, in the final moments before my eyes close, I engage in a short meditation session. This not only helps me relax but also allows me to seek subtlety and meaning from the experiences of a long day. These are small keys, unlocking the door to an ongoing journey in search of happiness, and I believe everyone holds their unique keys to open that door.